Hey guys, how's it going? Onion Man here, and today we're taking a look at another product by Merkury Innovations. I did a video on light bulbs by them. They were a cheap option for getting some smart home devices or smart home light bulbs in your house. So I also found a smart Wi-Fi plug as well. It was $11, and yeah, let's take a look. We have the smart Wi-Fi plug here. It is by the company Merkury Innovations again. It was $11, as I said before. The box is pretty much the same kind of design, minus it being a plug instead of a light bulb. What does it all say on here? Mini design, fits 2 plugs in 1 outlet. So basically you can use 2 of these on 1 outlet instead of getting some of those ones that are kind of bulky and then they cover up more than one. These you can use 2 in 1, which is kind of cool. You can use the app again as well, the Genie app. You can set schedules and share access. So let's open this up. See what we got here. Looks like it's basically the same as the light bulbs. You get your smart Wi-Fi plug start guide. You get your voice control guide. So I guess it gives you options on what to use and what to say for voice controls. And then you get the plug itself. The box is empty. 3/4 of the box is nothing in there. And this is the plug. This is Merkury Innovations on the bottom corner there, and the plug is on this side here. There's a button on the side here, which is what you use to connect it to the app, and also is the button to turn it on and off. And yeah, that is basically it. So yeah, I'll get the app going here, and I'll show you how to set up this plug. Okay, guys. So basically, you want to go into the app here like this. And then you will want to go to add, go to smart power. So now plug in your smart plug, and it should start flashing blue on that little button on the side. Once it starts flashing, you know that it's working here. It tells you that it should be flashing. If it is, then you hit yes. And then you go through your whole Wi-Fi setup. And then it should start connecting. And it just goes through this downloading circle. Just kind of, I guess, checking the system, make sure it's all connected properly. And then you can name your plug. I'm gonna go kitchen lights, because that's where I'm gonna have mine. I have some lights on top of my countertops for LED lights. I'm gonna put that there. And then you hit done. And there's new firmware, so I'll update that. And now it is updated. So you can turn things on and off. And when you turn it on and off, you can actually hear a little click. It goes kind of, and then you know it's turning on or off, depending on what you're pressing. And then you can plug whatever you want in there. Make any lamp or LED light strip, or if you want to do a coffee pot or something, I don't know. Whatever you want, make it a smart device. So I actually I bought 2 of these plugs. I used one in my gaming room here. I have some cheap, like $10 LED light strip on there. And I'll just show you how it works. There's a button on the side here. I'm standing in the light here. There's a little button on the side here, which basically can be used to turn things on or off. So if I press it again, my LED lights in the back here, they turn on. So right now I have it off, and you can see that there's just a little blue light here. That tells you that it's off. You press it, the little power light comes on as green. So I'll turn it off, and then you can actually use Alexa and Google Home for these things as well. So if I say, "Hey Google, turn on cube lights."
Okay, turning the cube lights on.
And she turns them on. Alexa, hey Google, turn off cube lights.
You got it, turning the cube lights off.
So she can turn them on and off. You can use Alexa or Google Home. I believe those are the only two you can use. But yeah, that's basically what you can do with them. That is the Merkury Innovations smart plug. For $11, I say that is a steal of a deal. You can't really get much other smart plugs for that price. They're usually around $20 or more, $20 to $30. So for that price, you can't go wrong. Even if it doesn't work, whatever, you bring it back. But both of mine have worked, so best of luck to all of you if you go buy them. And yeah, I will put a link to this in the description if you guys want to check it out. I got mine from Walmart. And as always, guys, I will see you guys soon.